insane. Glad you stopped denying it. You finally saw it for what it really is.
No, not with half of my
No.
family.
Oh.
No, there was this I forgot what it's called. It's like it calculates how many people
It's
you've had
it,
sex
it,
with.
it was literally like a 6 degree of separation, like sex thing.
You
Sex
tell,
survey. There you go.
yeah, it's like a sex survey. You tell it how many people you slept with, and how many people you estimate they slept with, and it gives you indirectly, technically speaking, how many people you slept with.
So
And
Miami technically slept with all of Miami. And
I mean, shit happens. And I don't have one STD, and I only have my wife pregnant. I didn't have it. Well, not that I know of. Unless somebody got an abortion without telling me. So, which if they did, I don't blame them. Thank you.
yeah, you can
Yeah.
lick a third party kit, not a problem.
Go ahead. I've never worked on a third party kit, but I'll tell you what I think about it. I do want to work on one. I do want to buy one. That is something I do want to do probably next year. And that's more of like an experiment. I do want to try one.
Let's see what we're looking at here.
Oh. They only got one image of it? That one looks really nice though.
Yeah, why can't you blow the image up? That's alright, let me see if I got a bigger picture of this one.
What company is this? Scroll down. Oh, scroll down. There you go. There's more images.
Oh, okay. Brand name. I don't. SNAA. Never heard of it.
Yeah, I've never heard of this third-party company. Oh, formerly Supernova. Okay, okay. So
Oh,
formerly
okay.
Supernova should be good.
Oh, SN. There you go. Okay, that makes more sense.
Dude, this looks gorgeous though, dude.
All right, yeah. If it's supernova, it's gonna be relatively good. It's just you're gonna have to watch out because the pegs might be a little like you might have to do like some sanding on the pegs to make everything fit perfectly.
What Gundam is this? Like, what is this based off of?
It looks a little like Justice. Yeah, I want to say a little of Justice.
Yeah, it has this Gundam Seed look.
It's like Seed and Wing had a baby. Right?
Yeah, right? Ultron?
Yeah, is it?
No,
Yeah.
maybe, no.
Like I said, like no, see, it could go either
It
way.
has a lot
like,
of Gundam Seed in it. It has
Yeah,
a lot
yeah,
of Gundam Seed in it. That's it.
Yeah, like I see like elements of like red frame in the legs, or like Astrays in the legs.
Yeah, the chest is full on like freedom type ish look.
Yeah.
Justice, things like that. Watch the video on the top. Let me see.
Is this one 100 or 160? 100.
The box art looks really nice. Man, it's a lot
I mean,
of
the,
runners.
I mean the box art looks nice, but when it gets to you, it's gonna be all fucked up. Just saying.